is Alexis, and today I'm going to talk about a person who really likes extreme sports. She has participated in a lot of motorcycle racings. She's a person who has been moving from place to place in her short life. She's a person who thinks that this country needs a change, and she wants to make that change. The name of this person is Constanza Benitez.
Wow. Thanks.
Constanza was born in Cuernavaca, Morelos in March 2000. Their family have been supporting her through all her life to be happy and successful. They have given everything that she needs to be happy and more. When Constanza was a 6-year-old girl, she moved to Tasco because their family had a ranch there. There, she became closest to her dad, Jose Carlos. He's Jose Carlos. And she realized that she really admires her father because he's a hardworking man and funny, and also those motorcycles. But not all the things were good in that place. Constanza met teacher Lolita, her tutoring teacher. She had a lot of orthographic mistakes, and she always wanted to be right even if she wasn't. That's horrible for Constanza because she's like the same. Next. After some years, Constanza participated in her first motorcycling race in Veracruz. She feels better with herself when she's doing this kind of activities. She also likes to work out in a gym, eat Mexican food, but I'm going to talk about that later. And sleeping. She really loves sleeping. Another interesting thing about Constanza is that she has a meme or a meme for everything. If you are mad, if you are happy, if you are sad, Constanza shows a meme for that situation. That's very funny. In her last year of middle school, she moved to Cuernavaca again, and she had to say goodbye to good friends, but she did a lot of new friends here. Here in Cuernavaca, she usually visits her grandmother. She's her grandmother. I don't remember her. Rebecca. She has a Mexican shopping in the center of the city, and she does the best Mexican dishes in the world, like pozole, mole, taquitos, tostadas, saboreado.
Yes.
Constanza loves saboreado. She's always asking for a porreado. She loves to be with her grandmother because she's intelligent. She knows a lot of food that Constanza loves. So I have the pleasure to meet Constanza a year ago in this school. I didn't notice that she was in all my classes after a week, but today I'm happy to know a person who is a good friend. She's happy being herself, and she doesn't need anything or anyone to be happy. She really cares about the closest person to her, like her best friend Dani Sega. The one? That one. They are like sisters, they are always together. And the biggest fear of Constanza is losing a friend or a familiar, because they really love people closest to her. She has a big dream. She wants to be a politician. She wants to change the actual situation of Mexico. And if she has the possibility, she will be the president of the country. To conclude, I want to say thank you to Constanza for sharing a part of her life. You are a good friend, you have good memories, and you have a lot of things that made your life admirable to me. Thank you.